Hi, everyone. Sometimes you are the host of a Zoom session and you have to run your PowerPoint presentation at the same time, as well as maybe other functions in Zoom like chat. So the first thing you want to do is go to your PowerPoint presentation and then you click on Slideshow and go up to Set up Slideshow. Click on Browsed by an individual window. Click OK. And then secret here, you have to run it first, okay? Then go to Share Screen, click on the PowerPoint presentation, click Share. And as you can see, you have the green line outlining your PowerPoint. And you have now an environment on your desktop to do other things like chat. So here's your chat window, and you can do your chat. One other thing too, as you know, Zoom doesn't control your PowerPoint, so you have to click on the PowerPoint and then click on the next slide. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Be safe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.